Since the moving average ribbon is just a collection of moving averages, the interpretation is similar to that used with one or two moving averages. With single moving averages, you can look at the direction of the moving average and whether it is above or below the price bars. With two moving averages, you can look for crossovers of the short-term MA over the long-term MA and vice versa. The ribbon allows you to look at these relationships for multiple moving averages at once. If all the averages are moving in the same direction, this indicates a strong trend. The longer and shorter term lines are all in agreement about the direction of the trend. If all the moving average lines in the ribbon are moving upward, prices are increasing in all time frames and the security is likely in an uptrend. If the shorter term lines cross above the longer term lines, this signals a new uptrend. A downtrend is indicated when shorter term moving average lines cross below the longer term ones. Chartists can also look for price bars to cross above or below the various moving average lines in the ribbon. The ribbon's width, the distance between the moving average lines in the ribbon, can also provide information for traders. When all moving average lines are running in parallel, the lines are evenly spaced over time. This indicates a strong trend. If the ribbon is expanding, which means that the moving average lines are getting farther apart over time, this could mark the end of the current trend. If the ribbon is contracting, which means that the moving average lines are getting closer together or even crossing, this can indicate the start of a new trend. The responsiveness of the ribbon can be adjusted by changing the type of moving average. EMAs respond more quickly than equivalent SMAs. And by changing the number of periods in the moving averages, MAs with fewer periods will react more quickly than those with more periods. A moving average ribbon allows you to see at a glance what's happening in both the long and short term by looking for trends and crossovers across a wide variety of look-back periods. In addition, ribbon width expansions and contractions can indicate trend strength and possible trend changes. As with all technical indicators, traders should use the moving average ribbon overlay in conjunction with other indicators and analysis techniques.